can earn from YouTube Shorts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of YouTube Shorts and how you can potentially earn from this exciting feature. YouTube has recently introduced a new monetization feature for Shorts called Shorts Bonus Program. This program allows creators to monetize their shorts, giving them a chance to earn an additional income stream. Here's how it works when your channel is eligible for monetization and when you join the YouTube Partner Program app. Your shorts will also be monetized via the Shorts Bonus Program. You will be eligible for a bonus payment if your shorts accumulate a specific number of views within a certain time frame. The views and time frame will vary based on your country and the current stage of the program in that region. To maximize your earnings, ensure that your shorts are engaging and high quality. Remember, you can only monetize original content, so make sure to create something unique and captivating. And remember, even if you don't make a lot from these bonuses, it's still an excellent way to get paid for doing something you love, creating videos. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep earning.